Hey everyone, Jane here from Attrell Toyota here in Brampton, and right now you are looking at the 2019 86 TRD Special Edition. So I am going to apologize right away if you can hear any wind noise. We are having a very cold and windy day here, but I am not going to apologize for the beautiful machine that you are looking at right now. So of course this vehicle has a lot of differences from the other two trim models available, the major one being the Aero kit, which is the body kit that you can see on it. As you can see, it gives you beautiful body lines. I love that front splitter there. It does have TRD stamped kind of right into it as well. So lots of different accenting on this vehicle. It does only come available in this Raven color, which is what you're looking at right now. But of course, what I'm gonna give you is a quick little walk around of the exterior. I'm gonna try and show you as many features as I possibly can. And then we're gonna go inside, warm up, and show you what we have going on inside the vehicle. So starting at the front here, you of course have that sport styled grille. You have your chrome Toyota emblem. We have LED headlights as well as integrated LED fog lights. You do have 86 etched right into the light there as well. On the sides, you have 18-inch alloy wheels, and I know you can see those beautiful red calipers, which of course are our BREMBO brakes. You have 86 right there for you as well. Of course, this is a coupe, so you only have those two doors. Again, gorgeous body lines. Rear spoiler here. You have LED taillights, chrome badge on the back as well, dual exhaust, performance exhaust, and of course you have TRD etched right into the back bumper. Fuel cap will be on the passenger side of the vehicle. So there you have it, my friends, the gorgeous 2019 86 TRD Special Edition. Let's go inside. So first thing that you're going to notice about the interior of this beautiful Special Edition 86 is that red and black contrast. I absolutely love it, and they have carried it throughout the entire vehicle. So not only is it on the seats and the steering wheel, but if you look at the driver door, it's also here as well. That suede material is on the door with that red stitching. Again, you have more red just on the armrest. You of course have your controls for your power windows, power locks, and power adjustable side view mirrors, and there is a spot for bottle storage in there as well. Now getting into the 86, it is a low vehicle, so keep that in mind. However, it's awesome to be low. It has a good center of gravity, and it definitely feels like it when you're driving. So with the lights turned on, so all the interior lights light up, those are also red. So again, that black and red, they've done a bang up job with keeping it consistent throughout the whole vehicle. Right here is where you can dim the lights on your dash. This will pop your trunk. Again, you have that red and black steering wheel. It is tilt and telescopic adjustable. It's also leather wrapped, and it has tons of audio controls. So you have your mode, your volume up and down, as well as your up and down select arrows, your big 86 right in the middle. And this here is for your multi-information display, which is right there. As you can see, it's telling me that my trunk is open, my mistake. But this is pretty cool. It's one solid digital display there, but it works in two different ways. So as you can see, it goes all the way over to here, which is where you can find your digital speedometer as well as your fuel gauge. But on the other side is where you can flip through all the different information. So pretty cool feature. If you are interested in the 86, definitely look through everything that is in that multi-information display, as there's tons of pretty cool information. Just underneath that is your cruise control. Super useful, especially if you're going on a long car ride. But enough about that, let's go into the center here and talk about entertainment. So we do have AM, FM, AHA radio built right in, as well as a USB input, auxiliary input, and Bluetooth. Just underneath that is where you can find your dual zone automatic climate control. Before I continue, how awesome is the layout? I feel like I'm in like a cockpit with all these little toggle switches and stuff. They did an amazing job designing this. You have your dual zone again, so you can change the temperature from the driver's side to the passenger side of the vehicle. You have your digital clock here as well. All these toggles are for your climate control and your rear window defroster there. Again, you have your engine start-stop button, and your USB and auxiliary input is located down there as well. The TRD Special Edition only comes in the 6-speed manual. However, why would they make it in an automatic when the manual is so much fun to drive? If you haven't driven one of these, definitely come on down to 110 Canam Cres and take it for a little spin, and you will see exactly what I mean. Especially because not only do they have traction control option, but they have track mode as well. This vehicle is built for the track, and I'll talk a little bit more about that when we talk about cargo space. But for the seats, again, you'll see that track ambiance coming through with that red and black. Not only is the cool part, but they are the sport seats. So you feel like you're in a Ferrari, like you're about to hit an F1 racetrack. They really hold you back nice and sturdy so that if you are taking this to the track, you're not going to be sliding around when hitting higher speeds. And you can see that beautiful red stitching all the way across. And on your dashboard here, they have that suede material and again, your TRD. One more thing to show you. Got to switch my camera hands here and move my seat cords because my legs aren't that long. But up in your display here, when you put it into reverse, we have your backup camera for you as well. So an awesome safety tool right in your rear view mirror, which is an auto dimming rear view mirror, by the way. So there you have it, guys, the front seat of the 2019 Toyota 86 TRD Special Edition. So this vehicle only fits 4 people, and the back seats are actually quite small. So a lot of people are like, why would you put 2 people back here? But there is a design element behind this. If you do have a shorter driver, of course you'll have enough leg room to fit 4 people back here. But if you don't, and you want to flip those seats down, they've designed it specifically for one reason. So give me 1 minute, let me go around the back, and I'll show you what that is. So if this is your daily driver to school or to work, you could definitely fit enough gear back here to bring everything that you needed with you. But again, that's not exactly what this was designed for. With these back seats flipped down, pull that one, and flip. Now you can see we have a bit more room. Well, we actually have just enough room to fit 4 spare tires, full size, a toolbox, and a helmet. So this was actually specifically designed so that you can go to the track, you can ruin the wheels that you're on by going as fast as you possibly can, as many times as you can, and swap them out for new ones. So pretty cool design element. When I said it's ready for the track, I really meant it. So now that you know where you can fit your 4 full-size spare tires, your toolbox, and your helmet, I'm sure you're wondering what's under the hood. So underneath the hood of this vehicle, it is gorgeous with that red color, but what you're looking at is our 2-liter horizontally opposed flat 4 boxer engine. So this creates 205 horsepower as well as 156 pound-feet of torque. And I know a lot of people comment on that saying, well, that's not enough power for what I want. When I said come down and drive it, I really, really encourage you to do so. When they've designed this vehicle with this engine, they've designed it so that it feels like you're going that higher speed, but at a lower speed just to keep you safe. Again, you can get up there, of course, especially if you're taking it to a track where it's legally capable to do so, but it is fun no matter what speed you're going. It feels like you are in that race car that you've always wanted, and it's gorgeous. So there you have it, my friends, the 2019 Toyota 86 TRD Special Edition. Come on down to 110 Canam Crescent to give it a test drive. And of course, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and share us on YouTube. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all under Attrell Toyota. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great one.